Question 21. The graph of y equals f of x is shown on the grid below. On the grid above, sketch the graph of y equals f to the minus x. Now f to the minus x is going to be a reflection in this y-axis. So if we look at some key coordinates, this point here at 2, minus 5 can move to minus 2, minus 5. This point here, minus 1, 1 is going to be 1, 1. Minus 3, 0, 3, 0. So put in those key points and then join them with the line to get something that looks like the following. And then here is a sketch of the graph of y equals tan of x. The graph of y equals tan of x is translated to give the graph y equals g of x. Following the translation, the point Q, which is shown on the graph above, moves to the point R, where R has coordinates 90, minus 5. Find an expression for g of x in terms of x. Okay, well, if we think of the coordinates here, Q is currently at 360, 0, and we're saying that after a translation it's going to move to this point R at 90, minus 5. Now that would be a translation to the left of 270 degrees and then down 5. Now, if y was f of x, we would write that translation as plus 27, because it's the inverse operation on the inside of the brackets, and then minus 5 on the outside of the brackets to denote the move down the y-axis. And so, since my function is tan of x, I have tan of x plus 270, all minus 5.